All right, something else you can do to troubleshoot the lighting of your gauge cluster. Now this is probably for many different Ford models, especially mid 2000s and on up. If you're noticing one of your lights on your gauges not working, the quickest way to make sure it's just the bulb that has gone bad is swap out one of the working bulbs with the one that's not, because all these are basically the same types of bulbs here. So you just, grab a hold here and push and then pull it out. Okay. And let's say I already know that the turn signal is working, which is this guy here. And if you swap it out and put it in there, put the other ones back in and then reconnect it. There's your connector right there. Reconnect it and test it. If you notice that, the bulb that you swapped over is still working in the new socket, then you know that just the bulb is burned out. Even though it's hard to tell because these things are so small, it's hard to tell if the bulb is burnt out or not. But that's the quickest way, is just swap it out with one that you know is working in the cluster. And that'll tell you right away you need to go spend a couple of bucks on these tiny little stupid bulbs that you can get at pretty much any major auto parts store. And there you have it. All right, check us out. We'll be doing more videos on this Ford Taurus X soon. Thanks.